Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shondi. Alright, so today y'all, I've been holding on to this stuff for the longest. My voice is gone, but I was supposed to make these TikTok trend jogging outfits or whatnot, or TikTok trend letter shirts. I don't know if you've seen the sweatshirts on TikTok. I'm gonna post a picture, but if you've seen, a couple weeks ago I went to Hobby Lobby and I picked up these things. I picked up these from Hobby Lobby. These letters a couple of weeks ago. It's probably about a month ago at this point, and it's Nike. And so pretty much what it is on TikTok they had these sweaters, these sweatshirts people were getting, and they were, I think it was a girl was on there, and she was picked up a Nike letters from Hobby Lobby or Michaels, whichever one, and then you iron them on your sweater. And I thought that was cute, so I wanted to try them. And I got this stuff about a month ago, and I never did do it. So I'm like, let me get this out the way. I've been wanting to wear these sweatsuits for the longest. I did kind of already wear the black one without even doing this. So I had a brown one as well. So I'm like, let's go ahead and get these out the way. So yeah, I'm just going to do a quick video on me putting my letters onto the sweatsuits and see how they come out. But I've seen on TikTok people just only did the sweater with the different Nike words on it. They had Nike and different type of, patches for the eye. But me, I'm going to do it on my leg as well, on the pants leg for both. And then this one I chose to do something different than saying Nike. It's going to say love me. And I forgot to give me a second time for the leg. But love me is going to go on the sweatshirt. And then love just going to go down the leg. But yep, so I got my equipment that I have that my dad had bought me a couple of years ago. So I can press shirts and stuff and make different things because I do have a journal business, which I haven't been really working in a minute, so I won't tell nobody. But I got to get that started back up. But anywho, we'll go ahead and get started. Watch me work. Let's see if this turned out. So I guess I got to get it heated. I should have been heating this up before. My voice is gone. I went to Huntsville. That vlog will be coming out this Saturday. In 2 more days. This will be coming out Thursday. Today is Wednesday. So yeah. And it'll be a quick little mini vlog of me going to Huntsville. I actually didn't even get a chance to really pick up the camera that much. It's too much going on. But let me heat this up and be right back. Alright. So I got the thing heated up to 315. You probably don't need it that high. And I'm just going to press it down just to heat the shirt up some. And it has a timer on my presser. Mine's a little dusty. It's been sitting in the closet, as you can see. But it's hot. I'm just going to heat that up a little bit. Yep, that's hot. Following the instructions on the back. You can see it tells you exactly what to do. So we're just going to preheat the iron, which I did for the... well, I have an iron. I have a heating press. I have a heating press, so I just pretty much heated the shirt up, like I said, the sweatshirt. And then we're going to position these on here because it has like a sticky feel on it. So that we can go ahead and position it. So, well, mama, let's go ahead and get this put on. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and add these letters on here. I'm pretty much trying to line them up to see how I want them to fit onto the sweatshirt. I don't have a ruler, or, they have those type of shirt ruler thingies, or I can't remember what they're called, where it helps you to know how far away from the collar to go down. I don't have that. I need to actually purchase one. But in the meantime, I'm just eyeballing it, figuring out how I think it should fit, on me. So. Sorry for the shaky camera. My daughter was holding it, and yeah, she was becoming very impatient. So just, you'll see where I just put it down and let it film myself. She wasn't no help. So I did press it down for 30 seconds. So the first one was 15, and then I went back again and did a second 15. And it is best to use this type of parchment paper or whatever it's called. I can't remember the name of that either right now. But whatever that paper is called, it's best to use that to help cover your lettering so it won't burn. Then I went ahead and turned the sweater inside out so that you can get the other side. And this as well will be pressed for 30 seconds. All right, now working on that sweatpants. It's gonna preheat just to get the surface warm so the letters can stick easily. I turned those sweatpants inside out as well and did the same thing, press it for 30 seconds. This one was a little difficult because it had a lot of letters. I had to do two, excuse me, I had to do two rows, obviously. And then these had pearls on them. I don't know if you can see the pearls. And I kind of should have did this a different way because I think I shouldn't have pressed too hard, because you're going to see shortly, I'll show you where it's kind of, the top of the pearls kind of smushed in a little bit. Working on the pants, I don't have that me, so it'll just say love, which is perfectly fine. I don't really love this design better than the Nike one because it was my own thoughts, my own design that I came up with. I tried to use the packaging to use it as a ruler. I don't know. Look, I gotta give me a ruler or something. But for now, this did the trick. See, I think that's what messed up. I pressed the pearls too hard. So I turned that sweatshirt inside out, so as you can see the lettering through it. And I'm just pressing in the inside for 30 seconds as well. Did the same for the pants, inside out. And this is what I'm showing you. As you can see, you kind of see it looks smushed, that little white part. That's because it smushed down a little bit, the pearl. So I don't know if I did it too heavy. But yeah, it's kind of smushed. It don't look too round. It has a flat top now. But from a far distance, it still looks like pearls. So hey, we'll take it. I'm gonna try the other one. But I like this one though. I really like it. I like the little black for the little sunflower, which I love sunflowers. And I like how this go against the black. You know. And on the legs, so I did this a little different than how I did the other one, because this one is going from my knee, well, a little bit above my knee and going down, as opposed to the other one I did it going down my thigh. So we're gonna see how that one look. Be right back. All right, I like it. Say love me. I'm short, I know, but let me step back so you can see that I put this right here. So it started over my thigh and then go all the way to my knee. So I kind of like it doing it like this, but the way I did that one was going from my knee on down. I like it like this. So what do y'all think? Future in fashion design? Probably not. But I do like design and stuff. So this was cute. Yep. So, and this is a large Walmart. So I got that from. Maybe you got a close look up on the leg. That look nice though. So if I had to love me, it would have just went, you know, the extra meat would have went down some more. But I think the outfit turned out cute. Put it right here for another angle for y'all. I love pockets, so I like that I can put my hands in these pockets. A little quick jogging outfit. I don't know if you can see the pants. But this is cute. I'm gonna be wearing it for sure. But it's something I saw on TikTok. And TikTok has not failed me yet, okay? So, let me know if y'all try it. Shoot me any videos or tag me in it. Even on social media. Like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.